Students, I just want to introduce you to the plan. I want to make sure that you know how to use it. So every course has a plan tab. When you click on there, you have different views. If you're looking at a view that looks like a long list, that's the agenda view. If you're looking at a view that's just showing you a day at a time, that's the day view. My personal preference is the week view. It gives you a bird's eye view. Right now, the only class that's showing is Fine Arts. You can also go into that tab and show all of your classes at one time. And you can also change the colors of each of them individually using that tool as well. So if you were following the plan at the very beginning, you'll notice that on Monday, Tuesday, I had the orientation and welcome video. It says welcome. Before you do anything else, please watch the video below. To access that task on the plan, you just click more, and then it will take you right to that content page. You can use the breadcrumb trail to get back to your plan. And today we had our first live class. It says if you missed our first live class, be sure to watch the recording and complete the exit ticket as instructed in the recording. Once again, click more. And there's the recording right there in your plan. Today in our live class, we covered the 1.1, 1.01, 1.02, and 1.04 we touched on. So you can go ahead, and the exit ticket today was to complete the 1.02 quiz and to complete the 1.04 quiz. We covered those enough in class that you can get an A on both of those quizzes. And then you'll notice that the schedule is very rigorous. So we covered 2 units today. Tomorrow we've got 2 units. Friday we've got 2 units. Monday we have 2. Tuesday we have 2. Next Wednesday we'll take the Unit 1 test in class. Says right here, we'll do the Unit 1 test in class together. However, if you want to work ahead, click more and learn about that. Then we'll introduce Project 1 in class, and you will have a whole week to work on that. So you can see right here in the plan, it starts on Thursday the 12th, and if we go forward 1 week, it ends on the 18th. You'll need to make your final submission by then. You can turn it in earlier if you want to. Then we have our next live class on April 18th. Then, as you can see, it starts to get a little more rigorous. So on Thursday the 19th, we have 3 units that we're covering. Fridays, I only do 2 because I know it's getting close to the weekend, just to give you a break. The next week, you'll have 3 units, then 2 units, and then we'll do the Unit 3 test in class. And then we'll start our next project, Project 2, and as you can see, you have an entire week to complete Project 2. Then we'll have our next live class, and we'll get started right away on doing Unit 5. 3 units in one day, 2 units in one day, 3, and then the Unit 5 test. It's going to feel intense, but it's just reading a little tiny chapter. So I promise, like, this is probably an hour of work. And then Project 3 starts on Thursday the 10th, and you actually have 10 days to get Project 3 done. So we'll start on the 10th. And it'll go all the way through that week and ends on the 20th. You'll notice also in the week of May 13th through the 19th that you're getting a warning. It says, warning, late work deadline is approaching. So if you have not completed Project 1 or 2 or 3, just know that this is your warning. This is your last week to get that done, because Sunday the 20th is the final late work deadline. Drop boxes will all be closed after today. You'll turn in all late work today. The end. No exceptions, no excuses. Turn your work in by the original due dates, and this won't be a problem. Be responsible and manage your time wisely, please. And then we'll have our last live class on May 23rd. Probably do a nice critique in there and see everybody's artwork from the block. And then the final week right there is graduation. So I know seniors want to get done early. They've got graduation coming up. So that's part of the reason why we've got that final deadline so early. Get you guys done and out of here for the summer. Basically, we go to Memorial Day weekend on Friday the 25th. That's our 3-day weekend. And the nice thing is that once you've completed your last project, you're pretty much done in this class for the summer. So you can get a really nice start on your summer vacation.